What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. I'm having a great day so far today, and if you haven't seen the videos before this one, we got the wheels in and mounted on the tires. So while we're waiting to for everything else to fall in place, we're gonna go ahead and see if we can fit some 37s, 24 by 14 on some 37s on a level truck. Actually, my truck's not even leveled. It has the FX4 package from factory, so it sits a little higher. Well, it sits level from factory, but it's not lifted or anything. So we're gonna try and see if we can fit these 37s on here. Alright guys, before we put the last one on, we're gonna do a little side by side. These are 37, 13.5, 24s, and these are 35, 12.5, 18s. And you can just see the 37. It's probably right at 2 inches on the money, taller, but that wheel difference is dramatic. But I went with the amp tires because they run a little wider than 13.5. So they're like 13.8, so they fit straight up and down with the 14 wide rim, so there's no stretch. These look awesome. There they go, guys. Looking killer. I'm gonna roll forward a little bit here. Alright guys, we're gonna get a quick comparison, quick measurement on the height of the truck on these 37s and the height of the truck on the 35s. So, here we go. This is from the ground up to the fender. 43 inches straight across. It's about 43 inches in the back. And on the ground again. It's about 43 inches as well. So the truck is sitting completely level now. And it looks that way. Things are gonna look sick. When the lift comes, it's gonna look sick. just help someone out there. You cannot fit 37s unless you do a lot of trimming on a F250. At least this year model F250. But yeah, they look great. I can't wait, and hope you guys stay tuned. Do me a favor, go down below, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and you know, you guys keep up with this build. Everyone have a great day.